Instagram story not uploading, showing this error would not upload retry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's see the step. First of all, you need to make sure your internet connection is stable. So check your internet connection and then go back. Now go to Play Store, click on search bar, search for Instagram. From here, update your Instagram app if it available. After completing the update process, now go back to home screen. Now tap and hold Instagram app and then click on I button or app info. Now scroll down, click on storage, click on clear cache. Now go back, click on force stop, click on OK. Now go back to home screen. Now restart your phone by pressing power button. After all this process, I hope your problem solved successfully. In this way, you can easily solve this problem. If you want any help from this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.